That's not too long of a piece for her?
We'll see.
She doesn't die. It's okay. Right, Sarah Bear?
Oh, sorry, Lindsay.
No, if it's too long, too big, she'll just bite.
Look, Liami. Look, and baby Sarah أخذت spaghetti. Baby Sarah's eating spaghetti. Can you eat it too? Don't eat hers.
You're like, she's like, how do I get this thing?
Eat hers.
Should I show her how to eat it? Look, you have some here.
Just the most adorable little thing ever.
Love you.